Hi guys, in this video I'm going to look at a studio lighting kit from Craphy, which includes 3 light stands with softboxes and a support frame with white, black and green muslin backdrops. This is perfect for improving the lighting in your videos. I've been using the kit to film how-to videos for my other channel for some time now. The stands are usually left in a fixed position so that I can film overhead shots, and I basically use the backdrop to hide the cluttered scene that you would otherwise be able to see through the window. The kit originally came in a large cardboard box, and inside were the 3 backdrops and a large zip bag for the rest of the gear. There are 3 cases which contain the softboxes and support rods, 3 light heads, each of which take 4 bulbs, and 12 fluorescent bulbs rated at 45 watts with a colour temperature of 5500 Kelvin or daylight. The bulbs were pretty well packed with foam protection and they all worked fine. The bulbs screw into the bulb holders on the light head, and the softbox is attached to the light head with the support rods. There are 3 telescopic lighting stands included in the kit. These have collapsible tripod bases. The softbox is attached to the top of the lighting stands, and the diffuser covers attached to the softboxes with velcro to give a softer light. The height of the light stands can be adjusted from approximately 30 inches or 76 centimeters to 72 inches or 183 centimeters, which is about 6 foot. There is also a telescopic boom arm which attaches to the top of a lighting stand in the same way as the softbox. It can extend in length from 29 inches or 74 centimeters up to 54 inches or 137 centimeters. And for increased flexibility, the mounting angle can also be changed. To keep it in balance, the boom requires a counterweight, and a sandbag is provided for the purpose. In this case, I've placed a small exercise weight in the bag. To control the lights, there are 2 switches on each lamp holder, and each switch controls 2 bulbs. The backdrop support comes in a case and consists of 2 tripod stands and 4 crossbar sections. The crossbar sections snap together, and they attach to the top of the tripod stands with a screw thread. There are a couple of clamps in the kit, but you could definitely do with several more. You can change the width of the backdrop frame by adding or removing sections. There are 3 screen cloths included, white, black and green. I only use them for basic screening, so I don't worry too much about the wrinkles, but the best way to remove them is to use steam rather than trying to iron them. The screens do not completely block light, but if that is a problem you can layer them with the colour that you want on top, and that works pretty well. Green screen or chroma key obviously looks best if you remove all the wrinkles from the backdrop, but hey, wouldn't it be cool if your walls at home looked like that? So overall, I think this lighting kit is good value. The lights work well without flicker, and they have a good daylight colour temperature. The backdrop is useful for hiding the background. The stands are not heavy duty, and so you do have to be careful with them, but that also does have the advantage that they're not heavy. If you're using them in a full-time professional studio, then these are not for you. But if you're a video creator working from home, I think the kit is fine. I'll put the product links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you again next time.